Welcome to Stevie's World UK. Today I'm at Longleat in Wiltshire. So today, Longleat's Icons of the Sky Night Glow 2024 is part of my world. 2024 is a celebration of 75 years of Longleat House being open to the public, and this year's Night Glow has been choreographed to a specially selected soundtrack. This will include a track by the Rolling Stones, who played at Longleat in the 60s, and Sir Elton John, who appeared here in 2016 to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the Safari Park opening. We can also expect iconic music from across all the decades since they opened in 1949 that will entertain us, creating a feast for the senses as a host of pilots fire up their burners in time to the music for a truly magical experience. The Night Glow will start in a few minutes. Plenty of time to take in the atmosphere as the balloons get ready for the Night Glow 2024.
From the first safari to high tea in the house, from huge hippos and lions to the smallest mouse. Come with us on a journey of music collected, embracing a moment of pure retrospective, to embrace Longleat's shimmering past, and to look to the future. Long may it last. So tonight is about celebration. Let's see what 75 years of music has to show. The pilots can hear and see you, so make sure to dance and sing along to the Longleat Night Glow. comes alive through dance and song, hosting legends like Diana Ross and Elton John. Music is a part of Longleat's very bones. Even our front steps were a stage for the Rolling Stones. I can't get no satisfaction. I can't get no satisfaction. 'Cause I tried. While balloons rise high into the air to celebrate the house with an eye for flair. Good winter, the festival lanterns shine, proving that Longleat stands the test of time. From storybook heroes to gods of old, for Longleat enchants as the tales unfold.
As it was, no, it's not the same. No, it's not the same as it was.
I'll take you all the way, boy, just come along. Hear me when I say, hey. It's me on the dance floor, but you better not kill the groove. Hey, it's murder on the dance floor, but you better not steal the moves. DJ, gonna burn this goddamn house right down.
What will come next? Only time will tell. But we know with you, our hearts will swell. To the past and the future, we raise our cheers.
Oh, Father, it was rough, but lately I've been doing better. Then the last 4 cold Decembers I recall. And I see my family every month. I found a girl my parents love. She'll come and stay the night, and I think I might have it all. And I thank God every day for the girl He sent my way. But I know the things He gives me, He can take away. And these beautiful things that I've got, please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got.
Please give it up for the amazing pilots and the crew of the Night Glow.
So that's going to do it for today. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss out on great future content from Stevie's World UK. Until next time, be safe, be good, be kind and be careful. It takes 24 hours for the world to turn once, but only 2 seconds to like or subscribe to see great future content from Stevie's World UK.